Welcome to adnanlatifanimations. Today I will show you how to attach a cloth with the body. First we need to select the cloth and then control A to apply all, and then select armature, shift select armature, and control P with empty groups. When you selected empty groups, and then select only the cloth, and then go to modifier, data transfer, and click on vertex groups. Select the eyedropper and then select the body, apply. You can see this is distracting with the body. So what can I do? You need to be select and undo first, and then go to select the replace to above threshold and then apply. You can see this is not intersecting with the body anymore. This is basically work with above the space. You can see this cloth is properly attached with the model. Thanks for subscribing with all the animations. Keep watching.